Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create a script, and through script, we are going to run our test. So first of all, we have to make sure all the required libraries are present in our project. For that, we'll go in our workspace, and in our project, I have created a library, this folder manually, and inside that, I have place these two important jar files, that is Selenium and TestNG, because when the script will execute, the script needs all the required jar file. So we have placed in the same project and how to use it using script. So for that, we have to run this command java-cp and bin. Bin directory by default will be there, and if we just cross check it out, so we have to go it again in our workspace inside our user. This one is different. So all right, so this is our workspace, and here bin is already there, and inside bin will have the dot class file. So path of that bin, and after the library file, and we are giving asterisk, so all the library can be easily accessed, and org.testng is a command we have to run, and we have to give the path of XML file. So already I am in my workspace, so I do not want to give the complete path. So I'm already residing in the same directory. So we just run this command. So this command will have all the access, that is XML access, and also accessing all the binaries and libraries. So it will perform all the operation as we saw by using Java Eclipse IDE. So the same result will get. So we can see here all the output is printed here, and we got an summary. The result run with no failure and no skips. So it's successfully run. Now we have to take this command and create a script. So we'll say save, and we have to save in same workspace. So we'll go in users, and I have the username here and workspace, and this is our project. And here we have to give any name, but also make sure the name we mention we have to write in double quote. So we'll say run dot bat. That's it, and just come out, and just we'll cross check whether the file get created on the same location. So it's got created here, and it says here Windows batch file. So our batch scripts is ready. So in this video, we have seen how to create a batch script. In next video, we'll use this batch script and we'll schedule in Jenkins. So Jenkins will automatically run the test. Thank you so much.